OMG, you guys, I found the perfect wig for every day and for beginners. No glue, no tape, no fuss. So stay tuned if you guys want to know how I slay my full lace wig. Hey babes, it's Jody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you guys can join me again. And in today's video, I'm going to go through all the specs of the wig that I'm wearing and how you can apply it, install it, whatever, from start to finish. So first things first, the wig is from MyFirstWig, and MyFirstWig specializes in wigs for beginners. So basically the wig I'm wearing, she's called Alexis, and she's like the basic, I guess, the long straight wig. But the thing about it is you can customize it. So I got her in, her number is MFS002, and I just got the regular color, but then I got 20 inches. And it comes right here about my waist, or a little below my waist. But guess what, guys, I got a Yaki texture because I wanted that blowout look. I didn't have to flat iron this hair to get this thick textured straight look. It just literally came like this. Then I got a light brown lace in a cap size number 1 because, as you guys know, I have a small head. So you want to measure your head to make sure the wig is going to fit nice and snug. There's no like baggy parts in this wig, so it fits perfectly. And guys, this is a glueless lace cap, so as much as I love got to be glued, even that you don't need in today's tutorial. It's so easy. So I brought all my hair to the front, and this is what it looks like, looking like Pocahontas come through. So anyway, I got you guys a discount on this wig. So if you use my code Jody, you can get $10 off. And of course, all the details will be in the description below. So here's what I did from the time I took the wig out of the box. First things first, you want to make sure you try on your wig, look at it, make sure it's exactly what you want. And then you want to co-wash your wig. You want to make sure you wash your wig not only so you can get it to smell like your favorite products, but also to get the wig clean.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom, please. Come on. Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a down piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty.
So after I cut the lace off, I washed my wig, I tried it on again. I decided that I needed the elastic band just so it can fit nice and snug. So I sewed the elastic band on the inside of the wig, and this is how I do it. I measure from ear to ear. And then I cut just short of that measurement, so it will stretch and it will be nice and fitted to my head. And that's what makes the front of my hair lay nice and flat. There's nothing lifting up, and I didn't have to secure it with any glue or any tape or anything like that. Okay, so before I put this wig on my head, I braid my hair down. And then I put some oil on my scalp, and that's what makes this a protective style for all my naturals out there. So if you have natural or relaxed hair, this would work. Or if you're lazy, like I sometimes am, you can put your hair in just a low ponytail, or just 2 braids will do, and then you could put your wig on nice and flat in the front. So what I like to do after I wash my wigs, I make sure they're dry either on my head or like on a mannequin head, and I'm going to demonstrate on my head. Just because I'm tired of showing you guys like wig blocks and mannequin heads. So I'm going to use myself as a live model this time. So you want to like blow dry your hair, mold it to the shape of your head and the part that you want. So I apply a little bit of blowout protectant as well as some heat protecting like oil or a polish. And then I flatten the top to get rid of that wig shape because the wig did come in a package, so I wanted to mold to the shape of my head. So to mold the part, I use some mousse from Cream of Nature. But what it does is it helps the top stay really nice and flat. See? Like that.
reputation. Perceive you talking down, I don't hear you. My interjection is lethal. Black cashmere sweater is see through. My icy glare need a ski-doo. You heard of me, guarantee you, cause all your friends saying queen who? Hey, it's Herbie, baby, and I ate so much cake. It's my birthday every day, and I'll be staying in LA. Got so much sun, don't mind the shade. That sound like a serenade. While all of my haters be fading away, see, I might go ahead and replace all your favorites. I am back, I'm a back. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am that. Nah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. Yeah, you know I'm that. I am that. I'm a that. Yeah, you know I'm that. Can't get off of this. Yeah, I am that. Nah, you know I'm that. Yeah, I am that. You know I'm that. Thanks for stopping by. You know I'm that.
Next, I go into the part and I use either foundation or powder. I try to use like my skin tone or close to my skin tone, and I put it on the inside of the lace. And I feel like that's more concealed but natural looking than placing it directly on top of the lace, which you can still do, but I'm just trying out some new methods and telling you guys like which ones work and which ones work better. So that's what I'm doing here. And I also apply a little bit of powder on the top just so it can look like scalp.
Don't act like you're offended. You like this attention, and if it all just ended, reclusive you'd become. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Drove by your house last night. Was a little nervous. Can't lie. Boy, you didn't call me. What's up? Feeling kinda crazy. Too much. Thought we had fun and you said you couldn't get me out your head. Checking my phone every 5 seconds. Have you even checked your phone yet? Don't act like you're offended. You like this attention, and if it all just ended, reclusive you'd become. I feel like I'm chasing you, but what's a girl to do? I'm wasting time loving you, but what's a girl to do? You give me just what I need, just enough to make me believe I could be the one that you call when you get your back to the wall. Got me to question my sanity, 'cause how you feel is a mystery.
I did run a flat iron through the ends so that they'll be like straighter and not fluffy. So the texture on this wig is one of my favorite things about it. Like, it feels so natural. It has like this coarse feel to it. It's not silky, even though they do have a silky version if that's what you prefer. I also like the density on this hair. As you can see, it has a lot of hair on the wig. It's actually just like a perfect density that you can wear for every day. It's so easy to take off and to put back on. So if you have a busy lifestyle, like, this is the wig for you. And you guys, my favorite part, like how you can customize your wig or what comes with the wig. Like, you can get the wig kit. You can also add clip-ins to your order, and I think what I'm gonna do with these clip-ins, do you guys think this will be a good idea, like if I do day to night? Because I imagine these clip-ins will be great for adding lots and lots of volume, or for curling your hair, doing like those date night bombshell curls. So let me know if you guys want to see that tutorial. So thumbs this video up, and I'll come back next week and give you guys a tutorial on how I add some more volume to this hair, and probably do some bomb curls and a makeup look as well. Just a little demo real quick. They have different sizes, and you can literally just clip some of it in your hair like that. So you can add some more volume, or if you like more hair in your face. It's totally optional, but I like that they at least give you the choice to curate like your own perfect wig. So let me know what you guys think about this wig below. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried my first wig, or what are your hesitations about buying your first wig if you've never tried a wig. If you wear wigs, like, what do you like in your wig? Is it parting space? Is it full lace versus lace front? Is it the texture? Is it the affordability? Let's chat in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks to MyFirstWig again for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.